So here we will discuss about the probing methods, that is linear, quadratic and hashing techniques. So open addressing, the open addressing is another technique for collision resolution. So here it inserts data into the hash table itself. So there are three addressing techniques: linear probing, quadratic probing and double hashing techniques. So first we'll see about linear probing technique. So it is a simplest method which tries to new location until an empty location is found in the table. So inserting the keys 79, 29, 39, 68, 89 into a closed hash table by using the same function and collision resolution technique. So before and the table size is 10. So here array or hash table is considered circular and the slot reached an empty location not found, then search proceeds to the first location of the array. So this is the formula, that is hi of x is equal to hash of x plus f of I modulus table size. So Ri equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So if you see this table, we have calculated each hash functions for the values. So if it is 0, and already if it comes 0, it will show like again collision occurs. So we have to check each and every array element using this equation for the collision technique. So we can see that 0 is again and again it is collision has happened, and if it is the same value, the collision will happen. Next is the quadratic probing. So it is an open addressing method for solving same collision problem. So it is used to eliminate the primary clustering problem of linear probing. So it will be clustered. So to eliminate that clustering, quadratic probing is done. So here the formula is h1 of x is equal to hash of x plus fi of square modulus table size for I equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. So here we see the table same. The array elements are used to find the whether it is collision has happened or not. So here we have seen that 9. So first collision has occurred, and 0, 8 the collision has occurs. So if it is 9 again the collision has occurs. Here we can eliminate the clustering of array elements. Next is double hashing. Double hashing uses two hash functions and hence called double hashing. So here it determines the initial location to locate the key, and the second hash function is to determine the size that jumps the probe sequence. So here the formula is hi equal to hash of x plus f of I modulo table size, where fi equal to I into hash 2 of x. So here x is the key value and I is the ith time that hashing is done for the same value. Table size is size of table in which hashing is done. This is the table. That is, here also we have find the elements whether it is collided or not. So 9 occurs, so first collision and collision happens. So using that formula we have find that whether the collision has happened or not, and at which index value the array element should be placed is identified. Rehashing is a process of recalculating the hash code of already stored entities to move them to another bigger size hash map. So why rehashing is done is the new key value pair will be inserted in the map. So the load factor increases due to the complexity also increases. So after rehashing is done, existing items may fall in the same bucket. Thank you.